So now that I have measures that is properly giving me what I have for the current month revenue and what I have for the previous month revenue, I can create a measure that's going to calculate the variance. So all I need to do is do a measure that does revenue minus variance. So new measure. So this measure, I'm going to call it revenue monthly variance, and it's going to be equals to a simple revenue minus revenue last month. Enter. And when I add that to this report, I have my revenue variance. But if I would like to show this as a percentage, obviously it's going to be equals to this revenue monthly variance over the original revenue, or this revenue variance divided by the month revenue. So let's go do that. Do a new measure, and I'll call it revenue monthly variance percentage. So this is going to be equals to, I could say, revenue monthly variance divided by revenue, but I'm not going to do that. This is going to work, but instead I'll go use the function divide. So it's going to be equals to divide. My numerator is going to be equals to revenue monthly variance, comma, denominator is going to be equals to revenue last month. Okay, so any argument you see in DAX that is in square bracket is an optional argument, which means I can leave this blank. But what this actually means is, should in case we have errors, for example, if you divide 0 by 0, of course you are going to expect to get an error. What should you do? So I'll just put a comma and say my alternate result should be 0. So if there is nothing to divide by, just return 0. Then close bracket, hit enter. And when I add this to this report, what do I have? So I have something that looks like this: 0, 0.68, 0.16, but I would like this to show in percentage. So all I need to do is go and select the measure. So select the measure, revenue monthly variance percent. I'm going to click on this. Then I'll come into the modeling tab, and under the formatting I can simply pick this percent. So when I hit this percent, everything changes into percentages.